Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing one of the best passive income methods. As you know, passive income offers a continuous flow of money even while you are working elsewhere, sleeping, or pursuing other ventures. However, initial effort is required. You will need to capture attractive photos or videos and upload them to the platform. Today I am going to show you how to upload photos to the Shutterstock site and earn money. I won't be explaining how to sign up for the Shutterstock site. It's likely similar to how you sign up for other sites. By observing my process, you can learn how to do it yourself. Whether you are a seasoned photographer or just starting out with your phone camera, Shutterstock offers exciting possibilities to earn money while you go about your day. So grab your camera and let's explore how to turn your snapshots into cash flow. Think of Shutterstock as a stock photo platform where businesses and individuals purchase images for various uses. Every time your photos are bought, you earn money. Now let's dive into some uploading tips. Remember not to download and upload of other people's photos. You have to upload high resolution, well lit and in focus photos are key. Experiment with the angles, compositions and editing. Research popular trends and identify less competitive niches. Consider travel, food, business concepts or everyday objects with unique perspectives. After uploading, select photos by ticking the top left hand corner of each. In the right hand corner box, fill out information about each photo. Add at least 7 relevant tags to each photos for buyers to find them. Once finished, press the submit button. Shutterstock will review and publish your photos. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, consider hitting that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. It helps me keep creating contents like this. Thanks for watching.